Jasper, yeah, I remember you and your mum were watching yesterday. A finished piece. I'll have to go inside and get it. 1 minute. We'll show the bro's mum a finished piece. Alright, just showing the bro's mum a finished piece. So this is a finished Poupou, similar to this one too, but in a different tribal style. I've shown this one before. There it is there. So if you can see it, hopefully. So I hope your mum can see this, brother. So this is a piece, well, probably one of the first Poupous I ever finished. And yeah, so the design itself is called Taratara Akai. We did these on the first carvings we finished. So these are the big ones just behind me that should be getting picked up soon. And another characteristic about this particular, if someone's hating on you, you must be doing something right. That's what. Yeah, pretty much, bro. Just don't pay them anything, any mind. But so something about this characteristic, as you can see, they like to cut through. So if you can see the figures, we have the eye and the mouth. Another one, mouth, eye, nose. And yeah, my mum said it's beautiful. Oh, that's good. Glad I got the tick of approval, brother. So this is probably one I'll keep with myself. I have never kept a carving with myself ever, just this one. Want to look at doing more stuff for myself too, but I'm going to be carving myself a YouTube play button because I don't know how to get the plaque, and a Twitch icon, but I'm going to put like a Māori aspect or influence into the two logos as well. Yeah, once I have my own man cave I can display it. So yeah, that's him. You can see the design as well. So here you got the leg. So yeah, I've done this design quite a lot. Simple, but when you do it deep, it looks beautiful. So I'll just go and take this inside now.